So hey guys, Stranger Tank here, obviously, because it's never not me. Except the one time when Nikolai took over someone else's channel, and there are lots of things that got messed up. But continuing back to this, today I've just been thinking, I want to make a skit, and then I was just thinking, what should I make it of? Then I was thinking, it's a stormy day outside, so. Today I bring you Storm Chasers parody. I have an epic vehicle out there ready to go in the storm. It's the windiest storm in a long time. But besides that, we are gonna go in the middle of a storm right now. And it's not even that windy right now, but what the heck? Probably it's gonna get pretty windy. Okay, we're out here. Here comes the wind! We gotta get into our vehicle, our wonderful vehicle. And we're gonna travel nowhere. And our wind protector is perfect. Perfect little fit. Here comes the wind, and we're ready to hold on. And we're gonna Okay. I was able to get myself in a situation I didn't want to be in. Got myself out of that situation. And now we're just now we're stuck. Oh, crap. Oh, look, escape. Okay, here goes more wind. This time the wind is going to be even a little more violent than it was before. It's pushing in at us pretty fast. I would say about 15... I'd say about, I don't know, maybe 11 miles per hour. 13, not that bad. And like tornado winds were just like 100 miles per hour. Oh, there you go. So, whew, we got a little grass. Well, we got lost in the storm. Seems like this is gonna be a... Where am I? This fake everything is brought to you by The Fake. Okay, this whole thing is fake. Wait, are we still recording? Oh, is this gonna... Oh, that's why.